Hello, hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am stopping by to share 3 cards that I created using 3 of the sketches from Kendra's card challenge. I do like that you don't have to create a full set of all 15 cards. You can use the sketches and create individual ones, which is great. Or of course you can create all 15 because she does give you the cutting guide for 6 sheets of 6x6 paper, and that will turn into 15 cards using her card sketches. There are lots and lots of prizes to be won. The best way for you to figure out all of that is to go to her Facebook group or her original video that explains all this. Everything will be linked in the description box below. She also has a membership like a Patreon, and you get access to other things, so that's always a great thing as well. So for my cards today, I did use some digital stamps from Whimsy, so I don't have those to show you. Whimsy is one of the super sponsors, and I just love Whimsy stamps. Like I said, I did use 3 different digital stamps, but then I also used the Calico 6x6 paper pack for that. I love this paper pad, and I'm sad it's almost gone. It actually is one, rarely do I buy like another paper pad, like if I run out, but I love this one so much I might have to purchase it again. I'm not sure. On each of the cards I did use some dots. So those I used some from Not Too Shabby, some from Trinity, and some old ones from Kraftin Kimmie. Everything that's still available, I will leave a link to it in the description box. And then on one of them, I did use this subtle dynamic embossing folder. All right, so I'm going to put up sketch number 4 right now, and that is what I used to create the first card. And that is not the one that I wanted to use, sorry. And the first one for sketch number 4 is the digital stamp is cinnamon with pumpkin. And then again, I used that sketch 4 and those calico papers. I just think it turned out so cute. It's a little bit different than your normal like autumn card, but it made me smile and it made me happy. And there's the inside. Isn't she just so cute? I loved her. And then for sketch 9 that I'll put on the screen now, I used the Digi Penguin Fall Fun. Doesn't that little penguin just look like he's just having the best day ever out there with those fall leaves? Again, not your typical paper, but I really liked how it turned out. And there's the inside. And then the last card that I'm sharing today is sketch 14 that I will insert the picture here. And this is Scruffy Cat. Isn't he just the cutest? And that again is sketch 14. There's those papers, dots. This is the one I used that subtle embossing folder on. I don't know if you can even see it on the camera, but it does give it just a little bit of texture. And there's the inside. I used one of those little transparent dots on his little tag, so it's kind of sparkly and has some dimension. I thought that was cute and fun. So there are my cards that I made with Kendra's Card Challenge number 12, sketches 4, 9, and 14. If you haven't seen my video earlier in the month, I'm a guest designer this quarter for Kendra's Card Challenge, and I'm super excited about that, and it's just so much fun. I'm hoping maybe in December to do a full set of 15. As we know, tomorrow starts Tag a Day November, so I'm a little bit busy for that, but I am definitely going to squeeze in some time to create some more cards using Kendra's Card Challenge 12, and I will share them when I do. So until my next video, which is tomorrow, the kickoff of Tag a Day November, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.